Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you don't want to share with your contact that you are in online and let it appear offline. So for that you need to open your WhatsApp apps, and then in the down corner you're going to find here something say settings. After click over settings, you're going to see skin appear just like this, where you're going to find something say last seen online. We have to change some setting to appear offline on WhatsApp. So first one, we need to change this last see and online. By default it might be everyone, so we're going to change it to nobody. Also, who can see when I am online, you can choose same as last seen. Anyway, then go back and then we're going to see something say status. By default it might be my contact, so we're going to change it to only share with, and it will give you all your contact list, but we're not going to choose anyone. We're going to click it here, done. After that, let me go back, and then we're going to find, scroll down something say read receipt. So we're going to turn this off. So from now if even anyone send me message, they will not see I had read that message or not. So within this simple step you can easily turn off offline, or you can set on offline on your WhatsApp account. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.